Neck fan, portable bladeless neck fans video. In today's world of smart and functional gadgets, staying cool during hot summer days has never been more innovative. The video review of the portable bladeless neck fan offers an in-depth look at a product that is quickly gaining popularity for its hands-free, wearable cooling design. The creator of the video does an excellent job of showcasing not only the practicality of the device, but also how it fits seamlessly into daily routines. From the beginning, the video is well-structured and engaging. The introduction gives a quick overview of the product and sets the tone for what viewers can expect. The visuals are clean and professional, providing clear shots of the fan from multiple angles, including close-ups that highlight its sleek, modern, and ergonomic design. The narration, or on-screen text if used, is informative and easy to follow, striking a good balance between technical details and real-world usability. One of the video's strengths is its demonstration of the bladeless feature. By comparing the product with traditional fans or other neck-worn alternatives, the reviewer effectively communicates the safety benefits, especially for those with long hair or kids around. The lightweight build and the soft-touch materials used in the fan's construction are also highlighted, helping viewers understand that comfort isn't compromised in favor of cooling power. The demonstration includes different use scenarios, such as wearing the neck fan during workouts, while commuting, or just lounging at home. This practical, lifestyle-focused approach makes the content relatable and gives viewers ideas on how they might use the product themselves. The video also features a breakdown of fan speed settings, battery life, noise level, and charging options, critical aspects that buyers typically consider. One particularly strong segment is the real-world usage test. Whether it's showing how long the battery lasts in high-speed mode or capturing the noise level in a quiet room, these hands-on evaluations add credibility and authenticity to the review. If the product performs well, it's clearly demonstrated. If there are any limitations, such as slightly reduced airflow on lower settings or charging time, the video acknowledges them honestly without exaggeration. Another highlight is the subtle aesthetic touch. The editing is smooth, with gentle transitions, upbeat background music, and concise voiceovers, or captions, that make the experience enjoyable without being overwhelming. The pacing keeps the viewer interested, and the summary at the end nicely recaps the product's pros and cons, making the content helpful for decision-making. In conclusion, this video is a well-produced, informative, and genuinely useful review of the portable bladeless neck fan. It stands out for its clarity, visual appeal, and honesty. Whether you're someone who suffers in the summer heat, a commuter in need of cooling relief, or just looking for a clever tech gift, this video provides the insights needed to determine if this fan is the right choice. Highly recommended for viewers seeking straightforward, quality tech content.